We don't know much about the new 7-seat SUV just yet, but Hyundai has trickled out a couple of small bits of info.
The shadowy teaser image shows a fairly conventional 7-seat SUV profile with stretched headlights and tapered rear lights connected by a swooping beltline not dissimilar to that of the Skoda Kodiaq.
Hyundai says that the new Santa Fe offers a comprehensive package of Hyundai's latest active safety features.
Part of its Smart Sense tech pack. A rear occupant alert monitors those in the rear seats, while the rear cross-traffic alert system can now autonomously brake to stop you crashing into crossing traffic while reversing.
Hyundai's Santa Fe has been on sale since 2001 and shares a few bits with the Kia Sorento, so we shouldn't expect engine choices to stray too far from the current 2.2-liter Corti diesel-only lineup.
We'll see the full car in February and we'll be able to report further when it makes its show debut at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show, so stay tuned.